Welcome to Michelle's Saucy Secrets, where we have for you stewed chicken and veggies. This meal is unreal. It's one of my faves. And of course, some mac and cheese. Follow along to get this recipe. Enjoy. Stewed chicken. Look at how tender. Shred right off the bone. Look at this. Been cooking it down for about an hour, and look at the chicken. There's like no chicken left on the bone. Just falls apart. So tender. Look at it. Just a whole bunch of meat. Just shreds right off. Beautiful. Look at that. Check that stewed chicken out. And mac and cheese. You want to know how to make this flavorful stewed chicken in veggies? Follow along. Enjoy.